Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matab Mirza, and in this video I'll show you how I spent my day today. So I started my morning with this green glow detox juice that has spinach, amla, pear, granny smith, apple, oranges, lemon, pineapple, and ginger to support gut health, glowing skin, immunity, and natural energy. It is alkalizing, anti-inflammatory, and rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It is perfect for a morning empty stomach. And if you want to glow from inside out, do not forget to try this recipe at home. So after taking a glass of healthy green juice, I went outside to admire the maple tree that we just have in front of our house. It is the last week of October, and look at the beautiful fall colors. I can just stare at this tree the whole day without getting tired. But look at all the leaves that fell down. So what we're gonna do now is since we just had an energy drink, which was our detox juice, we're just gonna start cleaning the leaves on the outside. So let's get started. And this is the view from the living room. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite season. My favorite season is autumn, and I love how the color of the trees changes and it is so beautiful. I just want to spend my day outside, so I just gathered all the leaves and put it under the tree because they are full of nutrients. Instead of throwing them away, it's always good to leave them on the roots of the tree because they are full of nutrition. And along the way I'm going to show you the flowers that are still growing. We are almost well, we haven't had our first snow yet because we're still in fall, but you never know. It's getting pretty cold here. It was getting pretty windy and rainy, so we just left the leaves there and we decided to go to a farm that is very close to our house, as we wanted to get some fresh and healthy organic milk and some eggs. And I wanted to show you along the little farm that we just found near. It's a family farm basically, but I'll show you around. And it's a beautiful drive as you go there. It's as you go on the road, on the right side you're gonna see there is a lake with mountains. It's called Du Montagne in French. And the leaves, the drive is just amazing, beautiful. So we have reached the farm. It's called Pengrove Farm in Hudson, Quebec. This is a very small family farm. So yeah, this is how it looks from the outside, and you can find fresh meat, eggs, milk, and look at these sheeps. They were inside today because it was cold outside, so we let them be in. And then we're gonna go see some chickens, healthy chickens. Oh, so cute. It always feels good to support locals. I mean, they have put so much hard work into it, and it's a very healthy food. So I always like to appreciate these people. And now we're heading back home, and along the way, we're gonna see some beautiful landscape. So we found a little park here where we parked our car and we went down to admire the beautiful lake and the mountains. And then we got ready as we had dinner at my sister's place, which is about 15 to 20 minutes drive. Okay, so the food is ready and we are so hungry, and we have delicious Pakistani food ready. We have aloo ke parathe, a salad, matar wale chawal. We have chicken kadahi, nihari, and naan. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.